Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to demonstrate that you can get Pinterest. So I would assume that this video will not be on the complicated side. To begin with, if you are an iOS device user, so let's say you have an iPhone or an iPad, simply open up the App Store tool on your device, type in the Pinterest query, and once the app is found, you will either have the Get button or this one if you have previously downloaded this app on this Apple ID. Those buttons are pretty much equivalent to one another. Just tap over here and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. And basically, after the Pinterest app was installed on your gadget, you can, well, start using it, obviously. So let me quickly get it back to my home screen. If you are an owner of the device that runs the Android system, on the other hand, the procedure is not much different. Open the Play Store instead of App Store. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already, and obviously connect your phone to the intranet. At the search bar, type in Pinterest. Once the needed app is found, click at the green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. And here you have it, installed on your phone without any significant efforts. Alrighty, so that would be it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Bye bye.